Hello friends, welcome to my iTechHub YouTube channel. Today here's in this full video we'll learn about how to download and install iOS 14 on your iPhone. So watch this full video to learn all the process. Let's get started. First of all, launch the settings app on your iPhone. In settings, tap general. Next, tap on software update. Here is iOS 13.5.1. Now we'll go to any web browser to download iOS 14 beta profile. So here we go. Now search for betaprofiles.com. So here you can see that iOS 14 beta profile available for download. Now tap on download. Next here tap allow. Now tap close. Now I'll go to Chrome browser for more information about iOS 14. Here search for apple.com so that you can see more about iOS 14. Here's the full information in details about iOS 14. Scrolling down to below to know more about iOS 14. So here you can see new features of iOS 14. Also pictures are available so you can understand easily. Now we'll go to settings. So here just tap on settings, then tap profile downloaded. To install iOS 14 beta, simply tap on install. Enter password if prompted. Then here again tap install. It's all done. If it has helped you, so please like this video and subscribe our channel.